are from Benguet, Philippines. We plant here vegetables such as potato, cabbage, carrots, and other highland crops that are not usually found in lowlands or in warm weather. So our temperature here in Benguet ranges from 6 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. We experience frost during January to February, and we also experience typhoon during June to December. So that's our weather here in Benguet, Philippines. So what we are going to do tomorrow is Bayanihan or Aloyon. It's a Filipino word that means that to help one another in free labor, so we don't need to pay anything. So what we are going to do is to help them in their harvest or on their harvest, so that when the time that we also need their help, they will come to help us. So that's the meaning of Bayanihan or Aloyan. See you tomorrow, guys, on the potato harvest.
Nadia Yapsiri Nasto Akalamik
So that's it, guys. That's how we harvested the potatoes for 3 days. So in 3 days we filled up 3 trucks, maybe 10,000 kilograms of potatoes traded at La Trinidad Vegetable Trading Post. So that's the place where we are trading our vegetables. So from La Trinidad Vegetable Trading Post, they will bring it to different provinces and cities like Manila and Laguna, and other cities and other major cities here in North Luzon and South Luzon. So that's how we trade vegetables here in the Cordillera. So those potatoes are not mine. Those potatoes are from 3 different persons. So we managed to finish in 3 days. So by the next video, we would like to share more content. So please keep on supporting our YouTube channel. Please hit the like and subscribe button on our YouTube, and please like our Facebook page also. So thank you very much, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much, guys. Good night.